Hello, welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Today we are on day 24, and if you are just joining us, be sure to check out the description below where you will find links to the previous topics covered on days 1 through 23. So today we'll talk about the legal parent. We get asked this question quite often in our FAFSA workshops. Who is actually the legal parent on the FAFSA? Maybe it's a grandparent asking or an aunt or another relative that the student lives with. So today we're going to do our best to clarify that. So who is considered a legal parent on the FAFSA? Well, of course, it will be the biological parent or parents, the adoptive parent or parents, and this is regardless of gender, and whoever is listed on the birth certificate. So this is a determination by the state in which the child was born. Now, who's not considered parents on the FAFSA? Grandparents, foster parents, legal guardians, widowed step-parents, aunts and uncles, or siblings. None of these are considered parents unless they legally adopt the student. So I hope that clarifies things, and it can actually make a big difference for the student with determining financial aid eligibility, having a thorough understanding of the answer to this question. So thanks for joining us for today's tip. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, invite others to join us for Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. And we will see you tomorrow.